Ooh, 4 feels, oh, that was, chef's kiss. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. We're gonna be rebuilding the shifter. So first things first, gonna take off the shifter knob. Next, we are going to start by removing, wrong way, a few of our console screws. One on this side, one on this side, one in the cup holder, and rotate 2 in the compartment thing where your levers are. Now we're going to remove this. All right, this is in the center, and just lift up from the front, pull back, and after we take that off, you see what we have left. Now this boot is still intact, not really held on, but we're going to take off these 10mm bolts and we'll see what we have. Okay. Making sure to remember that this one went there. Ooh, these are toasty. Damn! Ah, hot fingers. We got that off. Now, this should have been farther down and been harder to get off, but this boot's pretty much mush. Crack them, and then we're gonna get the super duty spin-o-matic. Yeah, I guess my fat hands are kind of in the way for a lot of stuff. Well, that's why we're learning. That's why we're learning. Look at that. And we are just going to gently lift this out. All right, so we're just gonna try and take these things off. Whoa, need some pliers. Obviously, try not to mar any of your soft metals and blah, blah, blah. Come on, you bastard. Damn, that fucker's on there good. Got it. So I think I'm just gonna cut this boot off. So I got the rubber boot off. Hooray. Fuck this thing. So it comes right off over this. So if you see, we have the clips on this one. We're gonna literally follow suit with all. All right, that is looking way cleaner, way better. All right, 1, 2, 3. That is none. This has 1, 2, 3. Just like that. A little bit of lubricant, or a whole lot of lubricant, whatever. This goes down here first, I believe. And then, where are you? Goes on the boot. You'll want a lot of lube, because you gotta get it down here somehow. Yeah, like that. Also want to put this bad boy in. Don't believe there's any special way to do it, just put it in. Pretty straightforward. Alright, there we go. So, that's that. We're going to put our wave washer in first, and then, where is it? Got to make sure that this little thing lines up with this, obviously. And to get that back, you can just use some pliers and squeeze it. So we sucked out as much of that gooey shit as I could. We also threw in the bushing, just because mine doesn't sit on the shifter. It just kind of slides off, so I figured I'd stick it in a hole. But aside from that, we're going to top it off with some transmission fluid. The instructions say any kind will work. So I'm just using my automatic shit, or just enough to cover the bushing. It's just over it. Not super full, but just over it. You want this bushing to line up with our thingy, our press thing. Okay. And then we're just gonna fasten this down after lining this up. Boom. Just like that. Super easy. Now we're gonna lube the shaft with some WD-40 so we can get the other rubber boot over. So it goes like this. So that's pretty much it right there. We're gonna fasten that down real quick. So just like last time, we're gonna use the zippy zip here. Just get things down faster. Your car may have this bracket, it may not. I believe this is because of the aftermarket radio. Don't really know. I'm not that smart. And then we're just gonna snug her up. So all that's left is you put back your center console over your thing, put your knob back on, put your screws back in, and take it for a test ride. Oh my god, that's fucking magic. Let's see how she does. Okay, so it was a lot easier to go into first than it was when we left. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's almost effortless. So we went from 1 to 2, super easy, buttery smooth. There's 3. 4, ooh, 4 feels, oh, that was, chef's kiss, beautiful. And 5, ooh. The biggest difference I noticed is that 4 and 5 are a lot smoother. 1 is smoother too. 3, 4, my aim's not the best. Oof. Man, that's nice. But yeah, so that's how you do it. Pretty simple.